If you want more traffic to your products, joining Lazada Campaigns is actually one of the best ways to get free traffic to your products. So, what are the things that you need to prepare and how exactly are you going to join the campaigns? Come, let me share with you. So before I go on to the video, let me introduce myself. I am Kong, your e-commerce specialist, and I'm also a Lazada certified trainer and also a e-commerce coach. I have my own stores in Lazada and Shopee. So I've been helping a lot of sellers, a lot of my students grow their e-commerce sales. So if you want me to help you, the link is below. Come, let's go on to the video. So for campaigns, right, what do you need to prepare before you can join any campaigns? So if you are new to this or even you just started, right, you need to know on how exactly can you join any campaigns and what are the criteria. So let me share with you what are some of the things that you should know. Okay, so to understand and how you're going to prepare yourself and your store to join any campaigns. Okay, so number one, you need to fulfill the campaign requirements. Most campaigns are almost the same, but okay, for example, there are certain campaigns like flash sales that they require specific requirements for you to join. Okay, so before all the campaigns start, please look at the terms and condition of all the campaigns for you to join. Okay, for especially for those with flash sale, number one, they require you to have a high seller rating. Number two, to have a good cancellation rate to be low. Okay, and you need to have previous low cancellation rate of previous campaigns. Okay, so all this is important. And number four, you need to have a good ship out time. Okay, if you keep delaying, then they may not let you join. And also a good chat response rate for certain flash sales campaigns. Okay, all this is actually subject to change, and for different campaigns it may be different. So it's best for you to have a general practice. Everything you just comply, make sure that you can get into all campaigns, flash sales and normal day campaigns. Okay, then you need to identify your hero products and your complementary products, means the best sellers and the one that is companion. Okay, so each of you sellers, right, you need to identify two categories of products to sell and to push. Okay, number one, which is your hero products, okay, like your bestseller, always very popular. So use those like seller picks and live and feed for you to push it out to create an interest to your hero products and a store to your store and the traffic driver to your store. So this will also help to build up your number of followers. And also you need to help build up your complementary products by offering best price and discounts, free shipping and flexi combo. So these are the things that people can see besides your hero products. So you need to example, you can get like things like buy 5, okay, get 10% or 5%, buy one get a free gift. Okay, so all this is important for your product assortment. Okay, and number 3, you need to have 7 action steps for you to have a good campaign success. Number 1, you need to submit your deals, obviously plan your deals. Number 2, create vouchers and promotions for that day to get more conversion. Okay, and number 3, use your Lazada feed, okay, it's like an Instagram feed like that, to engage your customer and use the chat wisely to draw traffic. And number 4, make your product content, decorate it nice, okay, with lorry kit and store builder to your store. And number 5, get more product visibilities with utilizing fully your seller picks. Okay, and number 6, okay, you check back your business advisor, see what is your previous campaign performance, okay, which sold well, what are the quantities you need to stock up and all those. Okay, and number 7, okay, make sure you fulfill your orders fast and safe and don't get it wrong. So make sure you get more loyal customers to buy back from you. Hey, before you leave, right, I want to share with you that I'm offering free e-commerce training in my website, www.compreneur.com. The link is below. So check out my free training if you like all this. Okay, so that's it for me. Make more sales for you guys. Thank you and bye bye.